everybody, Kim's Tectonic here. I don't know if I discussed this one earlier, but this was found on the side of the road. And I don't know if I told you about the coil. A lot of times coil will get corroded, rusted, and then if you polish it up, that'll give you your spark that you normally don't get when stuff sits for a while. So that's the first thing I always check. And then of course this one was self-propelled, and of course it still has the kill lever, which I have eliminated in the past, but if it works, I keep it. It's easier. Today is the self-propelled works, or I thought it worked. So you take the 5/16 one screw off, take that off, and this was just packed full of grass, and you can see I've cleaned it up a little bit. Well, it was so packed full of grass, and if you notice one of my other videos, that the belts jump off sometimes because you get so much grass built up in the pulley. So anyhow, to make a long story short, the self-propelled still didn't work, even though I fixed all that. And you can see when you pull that, it engages the pulley, and I took it out, of course, for a spin. The wheels spun here, but when you took it out to drive it, they didn't spin. So what I did was, and it's starting to rain here, but anyhow, I took a look at one of these wheels, and if you notice, all the inner ones are wore right down. I think it's a little bit of a misuse deal, because I've had one for a long time and I've never wore mine out yet. But because your gear, as you can see, your gear here is made out of steel. It don't really wear down. So I bought me some new wheels on Amazon. I don't know if you can see that, but I wasn't sure if I was getting the right one, but I think I did. We'll put that on. So one new wheel there, and you know this is all in good shape now. Put that back on. Back on. Go ahead and replace this other wheel. I bought two. Why not? They come in twos. See, this one's not wore as bad, but it needs it. So there you go. I think it was 25, maybe 27 tops after shipping and stuff for two new wheels. think that's going to work. Cleaned it up a little bit. You had to clean the coil. That's when I found it on the road. It didn't start. Got it running. Then come find out that the drive didn't work. So I fixed that, and I'd say she's going to run another 5 years or more, depending on the person that's taking care of it and maintaining it. And that'll probably be me, because I'll probably keep it. I give a big shout out to all my new subscribers. Thanks everybody, and that's what I'm talking about. It works again. Yeah. Hey everybody, it's Kim's Tectonic. I want to give thumbs up and like to all my new subscribers, and I appreciate it. And as you can see, what I've been doing is helping. Recycle. Don't throw them away. And if I can see them, I'll pick them up and fix them every day. For the one I was working on this video, was found on the side of the road. So I picked it up, cleaned the coil, and I showed you earlier using the wire wheel, spacing it. When you put it back in, make sure you space it. If you don't have feeler gauges or something, double playing card or something really thin like that. Earlier, like we were working on earlier, was the wheel. And if you need to test a plug, you can pull the plug, keep the plug plugged into the wire, shut all the lights off in your shop, and give it a pull. If you see spark in that plug, then you know your coil's probably not bad. It might be weak, but that means it's not bad. As we were talking about earlier in this video, was these wheels, they were all wore down. Not all the way in. They have the splines go all the way through the wheel, but this 1/4 inch, or maybe 3/4, barely, wore out all the way around. No good. Second wheel had the same problem. No good. So that's why I ordered new wheels. 5/16 screw nut driver. Takes off the thing to check out the belt. And I'm sure I explained to you before about the belt earlier, about if you watched one of my prior videos, how the belt was all just jam-packed full of crap, and the pulley had so much stuff gummed up in it that the belt was jumping off. So that fixes that problem if you clean the pulley. It took a little bit of finagling with the screwdriver and stuff, but that's what you got to do. I mean, you know, it's maintenance. Socket, 9/16. Either or. Took the wheel off. No biggie. So, just goes to show you, it could always be something simple. I say, grab it, test it, and if it don't work, you can put it out to the road where you live. So what? My theory is, I try to fix it all before I call. Thumbs up, everybody. Thanks to all my new subscribers. I appreciate it so much. And keep watching. I do all kinds of stuff. I'm basically a HVAC, but I'm retired, so I do it all. Thanks for watching, everybody. Tectonic.